Hi everyone, Shamila here with SoCal Event Planners. I'm here today to give you 5 things that you should not be doing at your wedding. The first thing that you should not be doing at your wedding is getting ready with a million people in the room. You don't want bridesmaids, cousins, aunts, friends, random people in your room or your bridal suite. You need to focus on you and you need to be calm before your big day. So make sure that you're getting ready either alone or with a very intimate group of people that you really enjoy their company, know they're gonna keep you calm and not make it about themselves. So that's the very first thing that you should make sure you're doing. Oftentimes I see brides try to bring in, 20 people into their bridal suite to help them get ready, thinking that, hey, it's gonna be convenient that the hair and makeup artist is in one place for everyone, but no, that is not gonna work. You're gonna have girls screaming for eyelashes falling off, needing to be fixed. You're gonna have someone not wanting to wear their sari the way that they're supposed to, someone who's not happy about their lipstick shade. There's just too many issues going around, and you need to focus on you. Your hair artist, makeup artist, coordinator, photographer, videographer are all going to be appreciative that you have your own space to get ready, take your pictures, be calm without all the noise, background movements, luggage, clothes, everything that's happening in the background. So make sure you focus on yourself, and then when you are ready to take pictures for getting ready shots with those folks, you can bring those girls in with their hair and makeup done, so all they're doing is flipping into your photos and flipping right out of those rooms when they're done doing what they need to do. So again, focus on you, don't have a million people in your room. The third thing that you don't want to do on the day of your wedding is be uncomfortable. So a lot of brides will come with 7-inch stiletto heels that they've never tried on and haven't ever walked in and decide that that's the day that they're going to wear their wedding shoes. No, you need to break those in. You need to be comfortable, whether that means bringing a change of shoes for your photo session when you're going and walking around the property of your venue, or whether that means having a change of shoes that you're going to wear underneath your dress when you're walking in or doing your first dance. Those are the types of things that you need to make sure that you're doing. Don't do things just because they're gonna look great, because if you're gonna be uncomfortable and miserable throughout, it's gonna show on your face. And you're not gonna like it. So don't do things that are gonna make you uncomfortable. What you don't wanna do at your wedding is starve yourself. I've seen way too many brides decide, hey, this is the day I'm not gonna eat, drink, have coffee, do anything because I don't want to use the restroom in my gown. I don't want my makeup to get messed up with lipstick coming off. Don't worry about that. There's touch-up kits for your lipstick. There's a coordinator to help you go to the restroom. You don't have to worry about those things. Be a human, drink your water, eat your food. Your coordinator will bring you snacks and appetizers and things during the reception so you're well fed, but before that, leading up to when you see your coordinator, you need to spend all day taking care of yourself. So especially while you're getting ready and sitting and getting your hair and makeup done for hours, drink some water, get some coffee if you like caffeine, or have a smoothie, and eat some snacks because you are going to have a long day and you want to make sure you're not cranky or dehydrated. Okay, the 5th thing that you have to avoid on your wedding day, and this should be just a motto for life, is don't nitpick. You've spent months, maybe even years planning this day. You don't want to sit there and, ruin your day because one thing goes wrong. It's a wedding. Things will go wrong. Something will not be 100% perfect, but that doesn't mean it should ruin your mood, your day, or your whole wedding. So, for example, if the cake artist or the cake baker decided to go with ivory frosting instead of white frosting, it is not the end of the world. Don't cry about it. Don't ruin your makeup. Don't make a fuss. Don't cause drama. There's small things that are going to go wrong, and nobody's going to notice the difference between ivory cake or a white cake. So don't fuss over small things. That's the biggest piece of advice I can give. And obviously, if you have a coordinator, all of these hiccups will hopefully be taken care of through your coordination team. But if you don't have a coordinator, just in general, don't nitpick over small things and go in with the mentality knowing that some things will go wrong inevitably, and that's just life. But at the end of the day, you're celebrating this amazing day and journey, so just enjoy it, take it in, and be happy.